The monkey is not the whole problem. It is the next move. Onken and Was wrote one of the best-selling Harvard Business Review's articles of all time, Management Time. Who got the monkey? And then Kenneth Blanchard and Hal Burrows later explained this concept in their book, The 1-Minute Manager Meets the Monkey. It all happens when you say, let me think about it. In that moment, the monkey has jumped onto your back. You have accepted responsibility for the next move. The art of monkey management is ensuring that the person who arrived with the problem lives with the monkey, which is the next action, still on their shoulders.